What's up guys, welcome to this video, and this is an interesting feature right now for Windows 11 where Windows 11 actually gets a colorful taskbar battery with percentage that actually helps, and it's now rolling out. So that's very nice. As you can see, it is colorful battery percentage. That will indicate that you have no battery. That is on charge and full. That's full. That means you need to plug it in, and that means that it's empty right there. And I guess that's an error message right there. So this looks much better compared to the white bar with just that lightning bolt. You can barely see that on regular Windows 11. So this is going to be much better to be able to see the green bar, which is really nice. And the Windows 11 taskbar was not exactly useful when it shipped in 2021. And I agree with that, but it has come a long way, and now getting two new features. Okay, the first feature is a colorful battery, which means that the icon will now be green when it's charging and red when you're about to run out of battery. You can also turn on battery percentage. As you see on my laptop, I don't have battery percentage. You actually have to take your mouse and hover over it, and that will give you the battery percentage of your battery. Okay, so you'll have the option to toggle that on and off. So that's the two new features. First of all, you get the colorful battery bar, and then you'll be able to toggle on and off battery percentage just like you can on Mac OS. Now, when do we expect this feature? The new taskbar features are rolling out with Windows 11 build 262.200.7019 or build 261.0.7019. okay, and you can actually click on that and see if you are up to date. Okay, that's an optional update. Okay, so just keep updating your Windows 11, and then you can basically get that in the future. So in this article, he tested Windows 11 new colorful battery icon on the taskbar. Okay, but I don't see it being colorful there. And up until now, Windows 11 taskbar's battery icon has been static white, but with a colorful icon, Microsoft wants it to communicate. After the update, you'll notice that when the device is charging, the color changes to green with a bolt indicator. Okay, so as you can see, it did work with the update, and now you can see it's like that amber color for low battery and things like that. So very interesting. If you want to read this, go ahead, click the link in the description for this article. And if this helped you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe for more videos on Windows 11, and I'll see you next time.